Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuum cleaners that will make cleaning your home a breeze. In this video, we will compare the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in. When it comes to suction power, both of these robot vacuum cleaners are impressive. The AIRROBO P20 boasts a powerful suction of 2,800 pascals, ensuring that it picks up more debris, pet hair, and dirt from all surfaces. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner takes it up a notch with a 3,000 pascals Cyclone cleaning system. This enhanced suction power increases the cleaning efficiency by 30%. So if you're looking for a vacuum with extraordinary suction power, both of these options won't disappoint. Now let's talk about design and accessibility. The AIRROBO P20 features a super slim body design measuring just 3 inches in height. This allows it to effortlessly go under sofas, beds, and other low furniture, covering more cleaning area. The ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner also excels in this category with its compact size of 2.99 inches. It's specifically engineered to access and clean hard-to-reach places like under beds and furniture. With both options, you can expect thorough cleaning even in those tight spots. When it comes to navigation and sensors, the AIRROBO P20 utilizes gyroscope navigation, ensuring a more thorough cleaning with an efficient zigzag path. Its highly sensitive sensors prevent it from falling or damaging your furniture and walls. Similarly, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with a sophisticated sensing system, allowing it to easily navigate around your home while avoiding obstacles. Both of these robots are intelligent and safe to use in your living space. Now let's explore the smart features of these robot vacuum cleaners. The AIRROBO P20 offers smart app control, allowing you to easily set up cleaning schedules, change cleaning modes, control suction levels, and even the cleaning direction. It also comes with a separate remote control, providing convenience even without a network connection. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner also offers smart app control, enabling you to accomplish personalized cleaning needs through your phone. Additionally, it is compatible with voice commands, allowing you to control the cleaning process with ease using Alexa or Google Assistant. Battery life and self-recharging are important factors to consider in a robot vacuum cleaner. The AIRROBO P20 can run for up to 120 minutes in quiet mode, covering up to 1,500 square feet of space. When the battery is low or cleaning is complete, it will automatically return to the charging dock to recharge. Similarly, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner offers scheduled cleaning and self-recharging. Once set, the robot will start cleaning on time and navigate back to the charging station when it's done. Both options provide hassle-free cleaning without the need for constant monitoring. Based on online reviews, the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner have received positive feedback overall. That wraps up our comparison between the AIRROBO robot vacuum cleaner and the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner. Both of these products offer exceptional features and performance. If you prioritize powerful suction and a user-friendly app control, the AIRROBO P20 might be the perfect choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a robot vacuum cleaner with enhanced suction power and a compact design, the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner is a great option. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.